Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to change field labels or how to rename the fields in SAP Business One. Sometimes due to customized processes or due to user request, we have to rename some standard fields in SAP Business One in a specific way so user feels easy to fill information in those fields. Uh, In order to rename the fields, the user who wants to rename the field should have proper authorizations. And there is one drawback or limitation. If a user X will change the field name, uh, for example, the field is customer reference number on the sales order. So the change will be applied across all the users. It's not a user specific. So you have to be careful while defining the authorizations or while showing it to the users how to change the field names. The process is very simple. It's basically you have to press the control key from the keyboard and just double click on the field label and SAP Business One will open the window to change the field label. Let's have a system demo. So the authorization which I mentioned, that one is under the general and renaming fields. So any user who wants to change the field name should have this authorization. If the user is a super user, then no need to have any authorization. Super user always have full authorization. So this user Jason Butler on my screen is a super user. I'll go to a sales order. Okay, and I'll simply press the control key and double click on the customer reference number. So the window is opened to rename the field. Let's say I want to rename it as customer PO number and I want it bold and italic. Okay, so I'll simply update it. So you can see the field name is changed. I have another user manager too who is a non-super user, that is not a super user. If I open the sales order, okay, and I'll try to change the field name here. I can see I'm not authorized to change the field name. So I have applied the changes. Now that's let me re-log in with the manager too, so it will reflect those changes. Because sometimes the change doesn't reflect immediately. So now after re-login, I can see the new field label is appearing in user manager 2 also. If I try to change it, it's showing me the error. I don't have the necessary authorizations. So that's it about changing the field names. And once again, you have to be careful because the change is like a global change. It is going to affect all the users. And while you are defining the authorization, please make sure none of the user have the authorization to rename the field labels. Thank you very much. That's it for today. Please like, subscribe, and share.